I love the quote, "Stay in a learner's mind," because curiosity breeds the desire to explore and to learn. And YouTube is a fantastic resource for exploring different subjects and ramping up on them, especially since the tech sector is constantly evolving.
But I think one of the things that is really unique about tech in general is that it's so easy to move between roles and between paths. And that can be both in terms of the role that you do, so whether you are an engineer or a product manager or a designer, but it can also be to move between verticals, right? So whether you work on search or whether you work on video or whether you work on machine learning products or UX heavy products. And so I would say, optimize for learning and optimize for what excites you. And I think there's no such thing as closing a door, right? So there's always opportunities to return to a career path that you like. There's always opportunities to explore something new, and every career path you choose opens up a new door.
There is so many careers in technology that haven't even been created yet. I came into Google in a job that didn't exist. I was the first art director on Android. Some of my first jobs were hiring illustrators to create beautiful artwork for Google Play. That type of role, it never existed.
Let your curiosity lead you, even if your side passion might be in the arts or humanities space. Allow that to infuse what you end up doing in technology.
So if you're considering different career paths in tech, I would definitely recommend thinking about, what really excites you, what really gets your energy going, and kind of mashing that up with where your skill sets lie.
It depends on which stage of career you are in. If you're a student, try to get different internships and try something hands-on to see if you like it. Talk to people in those industries about what their day-to-day work looks like. See if you can shadow some of them. See if you can do some volunteering work in that capacity for somebody and get some hands-on experience to figure out if this is something that you would enjoy doing for a long term.
Explore, explore, explore. Do not stop exploring. You will find that you can match your current skills with your passion and really create your own unique path in tech that you love.